here comes courtesy of Myfirstwig, and they sent over this beautiful 16-inch new and improved drawstring wig, which makes it nice and snug and 100% glueless. Get a load of the Flawless hairline, and again, glueless. We did touch up the curls a little bit and do a glueless install on this one. I did want to give you guys a quick demo of that drawstring. Even when your wig is installed, you can pull the drawstring out, adjust it to be tighter or looser to your liking, tuck it back in, put the comb back in, and you are literally good to go. This is what we're working with. Absolutely flawless straight out of the box. The next step for me is going to be cut off any excess lace. Then we can pull the lace back and apply a little bit of a non-glue melting spray. I did want to add a little bit more volume to the hair, so I took my Hot Tools curling iron and I did some larger curls, curling away from the face, holding it there for a few seconds. The hair was beautiful as is, but I just wanted to add the, like the bang, the body in the front to really bring it home. I really liked the way this looked, but I did want to go ahead and add a little bit of curl to the ends to make it all merry. This is kind of a finesse, if I'm honest. You can for sure take your time with this, but I just like to do this to really give the illusion that everything was like, take your time and curl.